Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get Notcoin or Notcoin on Tonkeeper. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, let's go ahead and open the Tonkeeper app and create an account for yourself. After you do so, what you need to do is click on Buy and Sell and then scroll a bit down and you will find Not. So you can see the Mercurio is available over here with an instant click, one-click purchase up to €700 with no KYC using pay card, bank card, Apple Pay, Google Pay or SEPA. So you can go ahead and click on it and click on Open Mercurio. So this is a type of Notcoin. Make sure that you are eligible to buy this, because if you are in a prohibited location, you cannot do so. So I'm going to teach it to you once again. Open the Tonkeeper app on your phone, go ahead and click on Buy and Sell. Scroll a bit down and find Buy Not. You can see the only option available is Mercurio on your location. So go ahead and click on it and click Open Mercurio. Put in your login credentials and then you can easily get Notcoin on Tonkeeper. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.